Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Geographical Theory and Places of India. In today's video, we will see the details of Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world, covering approximately 20% of Earth's surface. It is bounded by the Indian subcontinent to the north, the Arabian Peninsula to the west, Africa to the east, and Southern Ocean to the south. The ocean's average depth is around 3,800 meters, which is 12,500 feet, making it one of the deepest oceans in the world. The Indian Ocean is known for its rich biodiversity. It is home to a wide variety of marine life, including sharks, whales, dolphins, turtles, and various species of fish. It is also an important trade route, with many countries located on its shores engaged in trade and commerce. The Indian Ocean is prone to natural disasters such as tsunamis and cyclones. It has seen several major disasters in recent years, including the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, the tsunami, and 2019 cyclone Idai. Despite of these changes, the Indian Ocean remains an important part of the world's oceans and plays a critical role in the global economy, environment, and geopolitical landscape. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.